Unlock the extraordinary power within you. Imagine a force for good, greater than yourself, accessible with a simple switch like turning on a light. This video unveils the profound idea that you are connected to the mind of God, akin to the force of gravity shaping the universe. Life, a supercool force, surrounds and moves through you, offering an incredible opportunity to enhance your existence. Discover how to use this power for vital aspects of your life, finding joy, success, and solutions to everyday problems. Join us as we delve into the concept of divine guidance, unveiling a space within your thoughts where you can connect with the mind of God and manifest the life you've always dreamed of. It's not just a concept, it's a transformative tool for your everyday life. Buckle up for a journey of self-discovery and empowerment. In the vast universe, a power for good exists, surpassing your own. It's harnessed when you flip a switch, illuminating a light, a basic rule aligned with your desires. Consider the parallels between this and scientific discoveries, acknowledging a universal order. It's no stranger to believe in your connection to the mind of God than to understand your existence within the gravitational force maintaining order. While you may not be the force, you undeniably make use of it in your life. Life, a remarkable force, permeates everything, an omnipresent power within and around you. Discover how tapping into this force can lead to improved well-being, heightened joy, and success across various aspects of your life. This incredible power can be harnessed for meaningful pursuits, shaping a better existence. Recognize that we all share the mind of God, an intriguing concept worth contemplating. Welcome, seekers of wisdom and believers in the extraordinary potential within each of us. Today, we embark on a transformative journey guided by the profound insights of a visionary mind, Dr. Ernest Holmes. In this exploration, we delve into the art of harnessing the divine gift bestowed upon us, uncovering the secrets to manifesting the life we ardently desire. Join us as we navigate the pathways of Dr. Holmes' teachings, discovering the power within and how to channel it for a life of abundance and fulfillment. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist. Today's focus is on utilizing divine guidance for problem solving in everyday life. Within your thoughts lies a point of connection with the mind of God, offering a pathway to freedom, be it financial, emotional, or in realizing your dreams. Explore the mind-body connection to manifest the life you desire. Imagine your mind as a guide, connecting with a greater force to navigate challenges and find solutions, a profound power at your disposal. Initially, the idea may seem too good to be true, seeking divine guidance for everyday matters. Yet, acknowledging the oneness of the mind, where God's mind becomes yours, aligns with a fundamental truth. Just as you effortlessly utilize gravity in your daily life, recognizing your connection to the mind of God is a natural aspect of existence. The mind of God constantly shapes your thoughts and actions, even if you're not consciously aware. Moses spoke of the closeness of the life of God, present in our mouths. Similarly, there is one mind, God's mind, and it is your mind. Each person is an individual within this infinite mind. Embrace the truth that, in the eyes of God, nothing is perceived as big or small, difficult or easy. This singular power and presence flow through every aspect of existence, bringing life to the universe. The mind of God is not a distant concept. It has become a part of you as a precious gift from the divine. Recognize life as a gift from the force we call life, already present at your entry into this world. Shift your perspective and understand the deep connection with the mind of the divine. Jesus' invitation to step into the kingdom is akin to accepting a gift in front of you. Embrace this connection, live abundantly, and trust in divine guidance. Picture your mind as a force affirming solutions, acknowledging the inherent wisdom within the mind of God. Divine guidance is not distant. It is already within your mind. Acceptance is the key. The kingdom of God is at hand, and divine guidance is right where you are. Your relationship with it depends on thought, faith, and conviction. To make it work, control your thinking and let divine guidance flow through you. Shift your focus from problems to solutions, realizing that answers are present within the vast mind of God. Divine guidance is not a distant promise, but a present reality shaping your journey. The difficulty is not finding guidance, but accepting that it's within your mind. The kingdom of God is at hand, and divine guidance is right where you are. Divine guidance is already part of you, an unlearned gift from the divine. Life is a gift, and your involvement in its essence is minimal. Recognize your deep connection with the divine, shifting your perspective on life's challenges. When Jesus spoke of the kingdom, he wasn't suggesting a deal, but stating that it's there for you. Imagine it as a gift already in front of you. Step into this kingdom, live abundantly, and trust it completely. It's about welcoming divine guidance, not desperately searching for it. Divine guidance is not far off, but within your mind. Control your thinking, allowing divine guidance to flow through you. Solutions to problems lie within the vast and encompassing mind of God. The kingdom of God is at hand. Divine guidance is right where you are. Divine guidance is a matter of thought, faith, and conviction. Make it work through you by controlling your thinking. Accept that divine guidance is already within your mind. Solutions to problems become evident when you shift your focus to finding answers. Rather than dwelling on problems, see them as opportunities for growth. Trust that God's superwise mind guides you in making the best choices for your life. Set aside quiet moments to connect with God, replacing negative thoughts with positive ones. Your problems find solutions when you accept that God always has the right answers. You're not alone. You're working with the most powerful force. Trust the special power inside you to guide you in making the best choices. Set aside time for quiet moments, connect with God, and replace negative thoughts with positive ones. Let the feeling of being guided bring calm confidence to your actions. Accept that God always has the right answers, and divine guidance is a useful tool for everyday life. Remember, you're not alone. You're working with the most powerful force. Subscribe, and may all your desires be manifested. As we conclude this enlightening journey through the teachings of Dr. Ernest Holmes, may the echoes of wisdom resonate within your being. Remember, the power to manifest your desired life is not a distant dream, but a divine gift within your grasp. Take these teachings to heart, embrace the connection to the mind of God, and let it guide you towards a life of purpose and joy. Thank you for joining us in unlocking the secrets of God's gifted power. Until we meet again on the path to manifestation, may your life be filled with abundance, positivity, and the realization of your deepest desires. If you want to attract money easily starting today, check link in comments below to know the shocking wealth secrets revealed by rogue NASA scientist.